Hello folks, today we're doing a building inspection, and you can see we got it's a big building, a big old distributor here, distributorship, beer distributorship. But anyway, that's not what we're here for to talk about. We're here to talk about these expansion joints. See, this is a big pop-up building. See how that is? It's concrete pop-up, and when they pop it up like that, they put these concrete slabs together, which we've done a lot of videos on these in the past, but I want to share with you the expansion joints because I get asked what is going on with these, and you can see that they're cracking, and what they are basically is it's grout or caulking that they stick in there. And this here, you have to take care of this. If you don't, keep that caulk, moisture will get in behind here. So like right here, you see how it's cracking? And moisture is getting in behind here. What will happen is when it freezes and thaws, it'll bleedly blow it out. Well folks, thank you for watching our videos. Hopefully this has been helpful. Please hit like and subscribe and share with your friends. We appreciate you.